Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to talk about a altcoin called Serum. It's based on Solana's ecosystem. I believe this is not only a hidden gem, this is a diamond where we need to keep eye on this. I invested some money in it. I will show you my setup to this altcoin and talk about this altcoin. But before we do, guys, remember we still have the ongoing giveaway of $500 worth of Bitcoin. The winner will be picked today. You can still join this giveaway. The only thing you have to do is like the content, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Bitcoin address. So yeah, guys, good luck. Before we do a tier of Serum, guys, I just want to do a fast shout out to Binance community. This group I do not own. They never paid me. They never told me to, talk about their group, anything like that. I actually literally like the group. I really like the community, the people behind it. I like the way the people are helping each other. I like the rule set, and they're actually extremely helpful and nice for approving my content. So I want to give them a shout out, especially to Rob Green. And there was another guy who's been extremely respectful and helpful. Let me see, John Barry, who have been nothing but helpful. So yeah, guys, if you join this group, please follow the rules. And yeah, just help each other, guys. That was just a fast shout out. Anyway, guys, let's move on to the TA of Serum. Alright, guys, let's look into the TA of Serum. Before we do the TA, just let me tell you about Serum, just the most fundamental things about it. So Serum is actually a decentralized exchange, like if you know PancakeSwap, is exactly the same thing, just based on Solana's ecosystem. Alright, and this is actually backed up by FTX and backed up by the Solana team, so they are getting funded to build their decentralized exchange like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and so on. And let me just show you something else, guys. This thing does not have a huge market capital. That means a market cap. That means it have a huge potential to the upside. We can get extremely, I don't want to say wealthy, but we can get extremely gains from this. Just imagine if this goes to 4 billion, which in the bull market is not that much, right? So that's like 10x from here. Not that I'm saying it's going to 10x from now, but it has the potential. All right. So the reason I'm looking at that was because I looked at Radium, and I made TA, but it didn't go to my buy zone, and this thing just shoot right to the moon. Look. All right, it's again this is also based on Solana's ecosystem. It's also a decentralized exchange. So it almost made 100% gain, but I was going to buy it. I was going to set a buy limit right there, but I didn't manage it. It just went up. So I was looking for something else, and I found Serum. And based on that, I believe this is a high potential. If this bull market keep going on, I believe we will see a lot higher price when Solana is getting higher. Let's look into the TA of Serum, guys. Or this hidden gem. No, not hidden gem. This diamond, I believe. In the long term, I believe this is a diamond, guys. But before we do that, guys, just to do more structure on this, I will talk about Wyckoff accumulation or reaccumulation, and will show the pattern and why I chose Serum, why I believe there's a high potential for good gains. I will show you a big pattern called Adam and Eve, which have been unfolded, and I will show where my buy order was. So yeah, if you guys been following my channel, you know I love VPVR because I always find my buy zone, my sell zone, because you guys know I find support and resistance in these areas. I also, if we just zoom out, use divergence. I will talk about all of these soon. So if we zoom in, guys, you see if you see the green lines, this is where my support areas are. So yesterday I thought, you know what, I'm not going to buy at this area because I'm not going to FOMO in and lose, how much gain? Just lose right away 12% gain. I didn't want to do that. Like I said, I don't want to be that guy. So I made the analyze and saw that, and found the forward charge, the candlestick where they closed, and used this as a support. So my buy area and support, the first area was $8, and it hit that area, guys, as you see. And this was $1,000. My second was at 7.750, and it went through my support also and bought at Binance, where I have put my buy limit in it. I actually have two more. I have one more at 7.597, and the last support area, I believe, which is a high support, is 7.202, I believe. And just to show you guys, I'm not BSing anyone. Let me check my Binance account if it wants to check it. So if you look at the order history, right? So yeah, as you guys see, $8.028, $1,000. And when I was sleeping, another one at limit, buy limit, went to my support, went through it, and bought another $1,000. And I still have three, well actually two open for Serum and one for audio. I will talk about this because this actually sucked. I could get good gains, but anyway, let's talk about Serum. So I still have $1,000 at this area, like I said, and 7.202, $1,000 worth. So the thing I'm doing at the moment is calling DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. I don't want to buy at $4,000 at once. I'd rather see it do a healthy pullback. Then I will put a limit in it, an order, and if it goes down to my support area, it would automatically buy. So at the moment, I have around $2,000 worth of Serum. If it falls down to my third and fourth support, well, then I will have 4,000 invested in it. So the only thing I'm cautious about right now is the Bitcoin price. All right, I will talk about the Bitcoin price and Bitcoin dominance and total market cap soon, but I just want to show you guys some more of this TA and this analyze. Now you know where my support areas are, but if we just zoom out like this, I know it will be small, guys, but just bear over with me. If Serum decides to say bye Felicia and bye, you know, just fall down this support area, which is a huge support, but Bitcoin just drag it down because it's falling down, well, then I will DCA my way down so I get break even, I can get out of it, right? But so far I'm just holding to my TA and seeing if it can get some good gains. All right, I believe it will hit around this area. All right, around 10.9, maybe $10, $11 at that area. I will maybe sell 25%. I don't have that much money in it, so I not think I will sell 25, maybe keep it. I will see how it's unfold. Anyway, guys, let's talk about something else in the TA, which I have to zoom out and show you. Now this is extremely small, so let's do daily instead. This looks a lot better. All right, so if you look at the pattern, it actually is looking like it. Let me just remove the VPR. There we go. It is looking like this pattern called Adam and Eve pattern, right? Not exactly as the textbook, but it's looking like it. And usually in this formation, this is actually a bullish formation. So the way you do is you take a line right here over here, right here over here, and then you just move it over here. So if this is going to hold, right, then our price will be around $13, guys, if this pattern holds. Something else we're going to look at, guys. This is just fast information about Adam and Eve. This is pretty simple, guys. But something else we're going to look at right now, if we just do this, let me show you guys, is the Wyckoff. I love Wyckoff. I do a lot of Wyckoff. Let me just show you. Then look at this pattern. If you look at it, this look exactly from the textbook. All right, we have this schematic, this distribution pattern right there, falls down, do a ST, right, do a Greek hair, and then we have our last, as it will be probably right here, last LP stands for last point of support, and then we move to the upside. So if this pattern holds, we have a lot of high potential to the upside, guys. Actually, we will have around, yeah, it will probably get more, but for now we will probably get 17% or something like that in the short term, I believe, if Bitcoin doesn't just go down. If this pattern with Adam, Eve, and the Wyckoff holds the reaccumulation phase, a schematic, this is called reaccumulation, not accumulation, reaccumulation, because it goes down, then yeah, guys, then we have a huge side to the upside. So this is what I expect from the Wyckoff and from Adam and Eve, guys. It's straightforward. These textbooks, they're taken directly from the textbook. Alright, guys. And let's zoom back to the 4-hour chart, guys, and zoom in. So if we also look at the volume, guys, the volume is increasing. So what does volume increasing mean? Well, it reflects back to the price action, right? So that means more to the upside. If we look at the RSI is above the 50 area. Remember, guys, as I always say it, when it's above the 50 area, that's our bullish momentum, no matter who and what they tell you, and just focus on the 50 area. All right. So if we look at the divergence, it's not a hidden divergence, it's just clear divergence, but we see a divergence right over here, guys. We also have a bearish divergence in the 1-day chart, which is it's actually pretty big divergence, so keep an eye on that. All right, guys. So anyway, we have a bullish divergence. Let's see how this will get unfold. If it goes more down, remember I have more order open for $1,000, so I have still $2,000 open for Serum, $1,000 each every time it goes down. So for the RSI stock, this is perfect. It's showing us at the moment, let me just show you, showing that it's going down to the area where it's oversold. Usually when things are oversold, then it goes back up, right? Then it's overbought. Just focus on that, guys. Yeah, that's not the most beautiful thing, but you know the point. So overall, I will say there's a high probability for the upside for Serum. If we look at the Adam and Eve, if we look at the Wyckoff, if we look at the volume, all of these indications are telling me there's an upside. We look at the 21 SMA, which is crossing over 30, is going to be used as a support area for Serum also. This is also important to know. Now, do we need to be cautious? Of course. Why? I have told you why many times. That is because of the Bitcoin price. My experience just tell me again and again and again, if this thing fall drastically, it will drag the altcoin, and the altcoins will bleed a lot more. So I will get wrecked in my investment. But what I have seen at the moment, if my TA holds, I hope my TA get invalidated, this doesn't hold, not gonna lie. But if this hold, I need to be realistic also, then yeah, we will see more a downside for Serum. So what we need to see is a more, not a drastically fall, but more like this downtrend where it goes down, hit the support, goes up. That will actually be good for the altcoins, because the altcoins just shine when, like I said yesterday in my cake video, when things goes like, like this, it can be used. That's where there's not a high volatility for Bitcoin, but more high volatility for altcoins, because people are converting their Bitcoin over to altcoin, and that is increasing the volume of the altcoin. I hope this makes sense, guys. If not, I will be glad to tell you guys again. So again, we have to keep an eye on this. Something else we have to keep an eye on, if you don't know this, you will, because I will always talk about this. Let me just remove all these annoying things. Let me just see, we don't need all this thing right here. Alright, something else we need to keep an eye on, guys, is the falling wedge and the Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, I'm keeping an eye on Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin dominance. So far it's broken, but I need to see it to retest if it's going to go at my area. If it goes like this, yeah, I will pretty much just DC my way out of Serum, because it's not worth it. I always, guys, risk management, lose a bit money, doesn't matter, as long as you don't get wrecked, right? So at the moment, it's still not looking that good. So we need to see how this unfolds. As for the crypto total market cap without Bitcoin, it doesn't look that good either, guys. If we look at the up channel right there, it have broken down, tried to retest, but went down again and held a support. So we need this thing to go up. The reason is because of the liquidity. So the liquidity is getting out of the market, people locking their profit, and we need the profit of the money to get flowed into crypto, so the volume can increase and the price action can increase, and we can get our own profit out, right? So we need this thing to increase. So this is not a good thing. It's held the support so far, so we need to see if this breaks out to the upside, if people are willing to invest more money. So yeah, guys, we need to be careful because people are again converting the crypto into stablecoin and, you know, just keeping it there. That's again, like I said, a bad sign. That would just decrease the value of the price of the altcoins. The last thing which is important to look at, guys, is the fear and greed index. This part I do not like at all. This for me is a red signal. All right, people at the moment are yesterday and last week were extreme greedy. Today, not extreme, but they are greedy. All right, so this is not a good signal for me. I need to see it like a lot where people are fearful. All right, when people are fearful, I'm greedy because I know I can earn money. So yeah, in the longer term, I don't like this at all. That is why I'm cautious. If you look at Serum overall and look at the probability of the TA, so remember TA is only probability, I will say a 65% chance of upside for Serum and a 35% chance for downside. Before the downside, I have a risk management. I will DCA my way down, go either further down, I will DCA my way down again and break even or even some loss and then just go out of Serum. So I believe in Serum. If you're a fan of Serum or something like that, I still believe in Serum, but I'm cautious. Risk management is everything, guys. So also, guys, if you look at this setup and say, you know what, I'm gonna do what this guy do, don't do as me. All right, I'm not a crypto financial advisor. I'm actually a financial advisor in real life, but not in crypto. So do not follow my steps, nothing like that, because I cannot guarantee that you will earn money. I might get wrecked, guys. All right, as you guys see the prices for I might get wrecked. So just remember that, guys. I do this my free will, my own risk, and so on. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this TA. I wish you guys the best, and thank you for watching. And yeah, see ya next time.